Hello! Hi everyone! Happy Monday sa inyong lahat! So, ito, kakauwi ko lang from work and grabe, ang busy ng start ng May, no? Parang first few days pa lang, parang pagod na ako agad. So, naisip ko before I unwind, I wanted to do a go live and share something real today. Pero bago yan, for those who don't know me yet, I'm Mary Ann. I'm originally from Manila, Philippines, and now based in the warm, warm na ngayon, Ontario, Canada. A mom, I'm a wife, working full-time, yes, and at the same time, building an online business on the side. And today, gusto ko lang i-share yung day zero version ko. Yes, yung version ko before things started to change. So, alam niyo yung feeling na pagod na yung katawan mo, pero mas pagod yung isip mo. Ako yun. Every single day, same routine. Gising ng maaga, prepare for work, yan, tas uuwi, asikaso sa family, kids, bahay, right? Tapos sa gabi, pagod ka na, pero parang kulang pa rin. Kulang yung time, yung energy, and kulang yung options. And I remember asking myself, ganito na lang ba palagi? This can't be. No. Hindi naman ako tamad, hindi naman ungrateful. Pero deep inside, parang sabi ko, parang may kulang, di ba? So, literally, parang nade-drain ako. Kasi nga, yung repetition, cycle, right? Palagi na lang ganun. Parang you're working hard, pero hindi ka talaga umaabante. And as a mom, that hit differently because I started thinking, what if ganito ako after 3 to 5 years? Ano mangyayari sa akin? Ano mangyayari sa family ko, diba? So that became my turning point. Hindi siya biglang motivation. No, it wasn't like that. It was more like, napagod lang talaga. Pagod ako sa idea na I'm just trading time for money, I guess. Pagod ako na yung thought na walang ibang option. Kasi parang ito yung nakasanayan, di ba? And then, that's when I decided na baka naman meron. Hindi lang ako aware, baka may option, di ba? So, hindi naman siya overnight. Pero, alam mo yun, at least one step forward. May ginagawa ako. So, today, kung nakaka-relate ka sa story ko, gusto ko to tanungin sa inyo. What is that one thing na gusto mong baguhin ngayon? Ngayon, hindi kailangang malaki agad. Kahit maliit na step lang. Kasi, because people don't connect with perfection. They connect with beginnings, right? So, if you feel like this is you, comment start, or share one thing. One thing on your mind. So yun lang. Thank you for being here tonight and I'll see you again tomorrow for day 2. Bye!